Lavash wrap recipe. Ingredients. For the wrap, 2 thin flatbreads store-bought lavash. For the filling, 300 to 350 g chicken or beef cut into small pieces. 1 onion finely chopped. 1 tomato diced. 1 cucumber or pickled cucumber finely chopped. 100 g cabbage or lettuce leaves. 100 g cheese optional, grated. Salt and pepper to taste. Cumin or paprika optional. For the sauce, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons ketchup, 1 teaspoon crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon yogurt or sour cream. Preparation steps. Cook the meat. Heat a little oil in a pan and saute the chopped onion. Add the meat and season with salt, pepper, and spices. Cook until fully done and tender. Make the sauce. Mix mayonnaise, ketchup, garlic, and yogurt or sour cream in a bowl. Add a pinch of salt if needed. Assemble the lavash. Lay out the lavash bread. Spread the sauce evenly over it. Add cooked meat, vegetables, cabbage or lettuce, and cheese. Drizzle a little more sauce on top, then roll it tightly into a wrap. Grill the wrap. Toast the wrap in a dry pan or grill it until golden brown on both sides. Tip: serve hot with extra sauce or some crispy fries on the side. It's absolutely delicious.